Q4 ക്വിസിലേക്ക് എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. കേറ്റഡ് എക്സാമിൻ്റെ പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ഡിസ്കഷനാണെന്നും അപ്പോൾ സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസിൻ്റെ 20 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം. എൻ്റെ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലാത്തവർ ഒന്ന് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണേ. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ദ എക്സ് ഒഫീഷ്യോ ചെയർമാൻ ഓഫ് രാജ്യസഭ ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻസ് പ്രസിഡൻറ്റ്, സ്പീക്കർ, വൈസ് പ്രസിഡൻറ്റ്, പ്രൈം മിനിസ്റ്റർ. Answer, Vice President. Next, the term Mahal denotes village, peasant, tax, farm. Answer, village. Next, in topographical maps, roads are shown in blue color, red color, green color, black color. Answer is red color. Next, the actual distance between places on a map can be calculated based on direction, scale, signs, contours. Answer, scale. Next, which one of the following country is a permanent observer of United Nations Organization? Options: South Sudan, Taiwan, Myanmar, Palestine. Answer, Palestine. Next question, identify the ocean current in Pacific Ocean. Options: Oahu, Agulhas, Canaries, Benguela. Answer, Oahu. Question number 7. Power of judiciary to examine the constitutional validity of laws passed by the parliament is options: rule of law, judicial review, judicial activism, judicial commission. Answer, judicial review. Next question, the plain formed by the deposition of river Indus and its tributaries. Options: Marusali Baga Plain, Ganga Plain, Assam Plain, Punjab Haryana Plain. Answer, Punjab Haryana Plain. Number 9. No taxation without representation was a slogan related to options: French Revolution, Glorious Revolution, American War of Independence, Russian Revolution. Answer, American War of Independence. Question number 10. The natural outflow of water at points where the water table touches the ground is options: spring, geyser, tube well, aquifer. Answer is spring. Next, identify the leader of the Swaraj Party. Options: C.R. Das, C. Rajagopalachari, Jawaharlal Nehru, Jayaprakash Narayan. Answer C.R. Das. Next question. The crust and the upper part of mantle is together known as options: mesosphere, asthenosphere, lithosphere, none of these. Answer lithosphere. Next, the local wind that blow along the southern valleys of Alps is option Fen, Chinook, Harmattan, Lu. Answer Fen. Next, the minimum age prescribed for becoming a member of local self-government in India. Options: 18 years, 25 years, 21 years, 30 years. Answer 21 years. Next, national income estimates in India are prepared by options: Niti Aayog, NSSO, CSO, Finance Ministry. Answer CSO, Central Statistical Organization. Next, seafloor spreading is associated with transform margin, convergent margin, divergent margin, shear margin. Answer divergent margin. Next, which of the following economic activity comes under the secondary sector? Options: insurance, manufacturing, tourism, agriculture. The manufacturing. Next, name the founder of Atmavidya Sangam. Options: Chattambi Swamigal, Vaikunda Swamigal, Vagbhadanand, V.T. Bhattadiripadu. Answer Vagbhadanand. Then the electricity agitation was held at options: Thrissur, Kozhikode, Ottapalam, Kannur. Answer Thrissur. Last question. The Kurucha revolt was held in options: 1821, 1921, 1820, 1812. Answer 1812. അപ്പോൾ ഇതുപോലുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ഡിസ്കഷൻസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രയോജനപ്പെടുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ ചാനലൊന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണേ. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.